Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons at home without egg. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, focusing on aquafaba as your egg white substitute. This chickpea liquid whips up beautifully, creating the necessary structure. Ensure your almond flour and powdered sugar are finely sifted to avoid any grainy texture in your finished macarons. Precision in these initial steps is key for perfect results. Once your aquafaba is whipped to stiff peaks, it's time for the macaronage. Carefully fold your dry ingredients into the aquafaba, preserving as much air as possible. The goal is a batter that flows slowly and continuously off your spatula, often called the lava consistency. This delicate balance prevents hollow shells or cracked tops. Practice makes perfect with this crucial step. Now for piping. Use a round tip to create consistent circles, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times. This helps release any trapped air bubbles, which can cause cracks during baking. Finally, let your piped shells rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms on top. This skin is essential for developing the characteristic feet. Bake your macarons at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, one tray at a time, rotating halfway through for even baking. They should be firm but not browned. Let them cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage. Once cool, fill your beautiful shells with your favorite ganache or buttercream. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, egg-free macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.